Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. This is a quick tip for you. I had no idea. I've been using these drills for 20 years and had no idea this was a feature in it. So if you get something out of this video, or if you never knew this fact, please hit that subscribe button, as only 18% of you do that watch these videos, and we really want to get that average up. So hit it. And don't forget to also like this video. This tip we got from Sam Irwin from Construction Tips. So Sam, thank you for this. We just felt it was worthy to share it with our audience as well. And what it is any upper end drill that you own that has a knurled or Jacob style chuck that's like a self locker. Basically, when you go to lock a drill bit into your drill, you spin it and then you click it like that, and that's how I always ran my drills. And occasionally when you're doing a lot of drilling, these bits come loose. What I didn't know is if you turn it back counterclockwise one click, now the chuck is locked and the bit will not loosen anymore in your drill. And I watched his video and I was like, no way. So I went and got a drill, one that's a nicer Dewalt that I know is like an upper end drill, and it had the locker in it. So there it is. That's cinched all the way. Now it's locked, and that bit's not gonna come out. Then to unlock it, you just simply go back to counterclockwise and the bit comes right out. So I was like, I wonder if that'll work on a Metabo drill too. So here we go. Again, it has that same knurled edge, and this actually has some printing on it. It says grip ZU. Here we go. We're gonna lock it in. I'm just holding this up to my mic so you guys can hear it. Now I'm gonna try to declick it one. There. Did you hear that? So now it's locked. And I could put it back in the original position and still do this. It's when the drill is being used and it's in action where it actually will come loose. But if you go like this, whoops, I went too far. There we go. Now it's gonna stay locked in. And Sam, he actually verified this with Dewalt that yes, that was intentional, that is meant to be. So there you go. I had no clue, but again, I just thought it was worth sharing, guys. So if you got something out of this video, don't forget to click that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below and let me know if you knew that already or if you learned something new today. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.